One more time. T-H-E-R-E. Alrighty, CCC language learners. In this video, we're going to go over there, and there. I know this is also going to help native English speakers in America. I don't know about in the UK, but definitely in America. Even me as an English teacher, when I'm typing or texting, I make sure I go back and check, did I use the correct there? Because native speakers still get these wrong too. But the songs or the little jingles I've made for these to help you remember, you're never going to forget it now. You're going to remember. Can't wait for you to hear. So stay tuned. I made a song for there, and there. If you like this video, please like, share, follow for some more. Okay, here's the song. T-H-E-R-E, place, location, or compliment. One more time. We're gonna remember it. We're gonna remember it. T-H-E-R-E, place, location, or compliment. One more time. T-H-E-R-E, place, location, or compliment. For example, what's over there? Do you see that over there? And what would be a compliment? I know you're like, compliment. So if you see a fine girl or you see a fine guy, you're gonna be like, hello there. Hello there. Okay, I see you. Hello there. That is an example. But make sure you stay tuned for next videos to go over other examples of how to use there. And I'm going to quiz you in the next video, okay?